Si Attorney Ligutan pa rin po ba ang mag-direct examination sa susunod ninyong testigo, Attorney Tolosa, sa Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday?
Well, we'll have to wait and see, Alvin, no? Since yung mga, sino yung mga councils, no?
Opo.
Either public or private, no? Who will handle each witness is a matter of trial strategy that I can't discuss.
So hindi pa ninyo inaano, kumbaga surprise, magkakaalaman tayo pagdating na ng Lunes, at Attorney Jay.
Tama ho yun. Tama.
Okay, kasi yung sa depensa, inanunsyo na nila, hindi ba si Narvasa, magsasab na si, ano pangalan ng bata ding isa? Binluan. May substitution na sila. So yung prosecution, hindi pa alam kung may substitution.
Let's wait and see ho on Monday.
Okay. Anyway, yung si Zuleika Lopez po, pumunta pala sa Senado kahapon, ano po, although hindi natin alam kung ano ba ang may mga administrative requests daw, ano po. Ang tanong ko, Attorney Jay, ano ang turing ng prosecution kay Attorney Lopez at bakit po natin siya ipipresenta as one of your witnesses?
Alam mo, yung magiging testimony ng witnesses, no, hanggat hindi pa ho yan sumalang, I cannot discuss at length, no, what would be testified by the witness. May violate the sub judice rule. So, ang pwede ko lang hong ma-mention, no, hanggang lang ho doon sa siguro just a very general lang ho, no. I think nakita naman na dun sa video, no, and other camp even played portions of it na nandun ho, no, sa loob ng room, no, kasama ng Vice Presidente, si Atty. Zuleika, noong ginawa ho, no, itong live streaming na interview na yon, kung saan ho ginawa yung pagbibintang, pananakot, no, sa buhay ho ng Presidente. So, it could she could provide yung mga details ho surrounding circumstances when those utterances were made. So but I hope you understand that's the extent that I could disclose at this time.
No, it's all right. Walang porsahan po kung ano lang pwede sabihin. Ayoko naman malagay ka sa alanganin, hindi ho ba? Ang tinatanong ko lang kung bakit biglang nandun siya sa listahan at biglaan lang ba yun na nakasali siya sa listahan? Hindi originally, wala talaga dun dapat si Attorney Lopez?
Meron naman ho kaming mga reserved witnesses dyan. Although, for this article, no, ng grave threats, although hindi naman din ho bago, no, na sinabi namin na gagawin namin siyang witness since nandun naman din siya sa pre-trial brief ho namin.
So hindi siya surprise. Kumaga hindi siya nilagay doon for next week dahil biglang pinakita ng depensa ang video niya. Kasi nagpapaliwanag siya doon sa pinakitang video sa cross, hindi ho ba?
Hindi naman. I think, in fact, I'll have to check, no, to be accurate. I think we even filed the request for issuance of subpoena to her even before that part was shown.
Okay.
But what is clear is we've indicated her as one of our witnesses in the pre-trial brief. So,
Okay.
alam naman mo talaga na gagawin namin siyang testigo.
So may bale po ba kung sakasakaling pupunta si Vice President Sara Duterte to witness kung paano ang magiging testimonya ng kanyang Chief of Staff na si Attorney Zuleika Lopez next week?
Kung ang tanong ko ba, will there be any difference in the strategy ho ng prosecution? Wala naman ho. No? I mean, it's going to be the same. Regardless if the respondent herself will be there or not, may strategy natin dyan. But I guess at the very least, if she will be there, no, maybe it will be a good indication. No? Sumarap na din naman siya sa impeachment court. No? Baka, aside from watching attorneys like testifying, maybe the respondent would also at one time or another, no, heed the public's call to answer, no, personally the charges against her.
Opo, ibig ko po sabihin is hindi naman paano bang term sa Tagalog? Hindi naman mai-intimidate, ayan English na lang para mas madali maintindihan. Hindi naman mai-intimidate ang prosecution with the presence of the Vice President there watching over the proceeding next week.
Hindi naman ho, no, as you would recall, in fact, during the hearing last week, no, Attorney Capunan was even asking the defense, no, clarifying from them, no, since the Vice President was reported to be within the premises of the Senate before the hearing, no, if she would also like to attend. So, hindi naman ho.
Opo. Pero by the way, buti nabanggit mo yan, Attorney Jay. Yan ba i-formalize ninyo yung pagpapatawag kay Vice President Sara Duterte sa witness stand?
Yan ho yung under deliberation ho yan, no? And let's wait and see ho, no? Ito ho kasi, medyo this will be a novel, no? A novel move, if at all, no? Kasi nga, hindi naman siya accused dito, no? That's what you have to remember because this is not a criminal case. No? She's a respondent. So, sa criminal case ho kasi, hindi pwedeng ipatawag ng prosecution yung mismong nasasaktal dahil dun sa right na against self-incrimination. No? But dito, mukhang hindi ho yun applicable, no? Dahil nga hindi siya accused. But once we file that, let's see how the impeachment court will rule on it.
Opo, pero you can actually file it. There's no one
Yes,
stopping you from filing it.
that's
But as to
Tama ho,
whether
Alvin.
i-grant, ibang usapin po yun.
Yes, tama ho yun, Alvin. That's why we were saying, no? Medyo novel ho yan. So kaya ako pinag-aaralan din ako ng mabuti. But yes, tama ho yung point nyo. No? We can file it and then let's see how the impeachment court will act on it.
Opo, pero ano bang pros and cons? I suppose dapat tinitimbang niyang prosecution nila, no? Anong pros na patawag natin siya? Anong cons? Kasi baka naman ipatawag mo siya, ay sasabihin niya lang doon all throughout sa lahat ng tanong, I invoke my right against self-incrimination. Lahat ng question, yun ang sagot niya.
Tama din ho, kasama din ho yan sa mga bagay na we're considering, no? And at the end of the day, siya, pinaka-importante din ho dyan, tignan kung is it still absolutely necessary to call her, no? O enough na yung mga witnesses that we will be presenting.
Oh, by the way, attorney, paano pala pag next week, yan din ang maging sagot ni Attorney Zuleika Lopez? Hindi ba parang sayang lang, pinatawag natin siya, tapos ang lahat na isasagot niya ay invoke, o di ko alam, I don't know. Alam mo yun, lahat ng evasion gagawin niya kasi hostile witness nga po siya eh.
Oh, well, yung right against self-incrimination, di naman ho yan magic word na pwedeng erase ng isang witness, no, para ma-avoid ho, no, matakasan lahat ng tanong, no. Dahil dapat ho yan, papakita na tama hong erase itong right na to. So kung ang mga tanong sa kanya, no, will not incriminate her, you're just asking her about the circumstances, no, surrounding that event. No, kung kailan ko ginawa yung threats na yan, wala akong basihan para mag-invoke ng right against self-incrimination.
Ganun pala yun. Akala ko naman, sa umpisa pa lang, kahit anong tanong, yan ang isasagot mo. Sabi niya, what is your name? I invoke my right against... Hanggang matapos yung hearing, yun lang yung buong bibig niya, attorney.
Hindi naman ho, Alvin, no? Pwede lang ho yung erase. Kapag yung sagot, pwede siyang place in criminal, be exposed to criminal liability. No? Pero kung may mga tinatanong sa kanya, hindi naman ho yun magiging basehan ng criminal liability. Then hindi niya ho pwedeng invoke yung right na yan.
Opo, so Attorney Jay, ibig sabihin, even with that possibility, the prosecution still hopes na maging maayos yun at saka may makuha tayo for the prosecution yung testimonya ni Attorney Lopez.
Tama ho yan. And I think dun sa statement na nabigay ni Attorney Bantug, no, when he was asked if Attorney Zuleika had some concerns about the subpoena issued to her, no, sabi niya wala naman siyang, hindi yun pinag-usapan, it didn't bring up, meaning we take that to mean na wala namang objection.
Ano raw po ang administrative concern ni Attorney Zuleika?
I think it's about more some requests, about for fridge, microwave, stuff like that. That they're asking if they could be allowed to bring it inside their holding room.
Ano yun? Kailangan ng ano daw? Fridge, did you say?
I didn't. That was just what I saw from the mga news reports written about it yesterday. So
Baka naman pinapaalam niya na
I didn't hear her say that.
baka naman attorney dadalunga si Vice President as a spectator.
That's possible. That's possible. Yeah, that's all right as the respondent to be there. No?
Okay, sige.